You know what is mean by perpendicular. Perpendicular means this is a symbol of plus symbol, and when two line intersect, this is intersecting here, the line is intersecting, two line intersect, the angle between them is 90 degree, then it is a perpendicular. So here one triangle is there, and we draw a line here in center. If it is a equilateral triangle means that line should, a line is a median and altitude. So here we are getting 90 degree in opposite side, we are getting 90 degree, and it is look like a perpendicular shape. Here one line and here one line, and it is intersecting at this point. The angle between them is 90 degree, here 90 degree, here 90 degree. So this is a perpendicular line. Now next topic is a altitude of a triangle. Now altitude of a triangle. An altitude as one endpoint at a vertex of a triangle and other on the lines containing the opposite side. Though each vertex and altitude can be drawn. So here, if the triangle is equilateral, equilateral means all sides A, B, B, C and AC all are same measurement, then an altitude and medium are the same. It looks same, and both are AD. We can say this is a median of a triangle, and AD we can say it is an altitude of a triangle, because this is an equilateral triangle. The difference is both the definition are same, and median means a line segment joining from a vertex to opposite side in the middle, that is a median of a triangle. And altitude means an altitude, a line segment joining from a vertex to opposite side, and the angle between them is 90 degree. The difference is in altitude we should get 90, opposite side we should get 90 degree, and it is a perpendicular, and it means AD perpendicular to BC. So here in this triangle, in triangle ABC, this is equilateral triangle. So AF is a median, and we can say AF is median and also an altitude of a triangle. DC is a median and also an altitude. BE is a median and also an altitude, because both are intersect from vertex, the line segment join into opposite side, median definition, and opposite side we are getting 90 degree. So here we know that altitude and median are same. Same AD is an altitude and AD is an median. So here XYZ is not an equilateral triangle. So here median means we have to draw here median. How to draw a median? Median means from middle we should check the middle of the line. So this is 5 centimeter. So 2.5 is a median. So this is median. This is median because from a vertex to opposite side middle. So this is median XP. Then now we have to draw the altitude. Altitude means from vertex opposite side we have to join a line segment, and here we are getting 90 degree. This is altitude. This is an altitude. Median means from here one vertex, one point opposite side, but in the middle of the side we have to middle of the point we divide two equal parts. So in median YP and PY are same measurement. PZ, sorry, YP and PZ are same measurement, but in altitude we can't say that YQ and Q are not equal. In median, when we draw median, we can say YP equal, we can say YP equal PZ, but in an altitude we can't say that YQ does not equal to QZ. YQ does not equal to QZ because this is an altitude line. But in opposite side, when you are getting 90 degree, then that is the altitude. And the line from vertex to opposite side, the middle, the line is on the middle, means that is a median. Now page number 114. In that there think, discuss and write. In first question, how many medians can a triangle have? Things are how many medians can a triangle have? Means a triangle can have 3 altitude and 3 medians. Then does a median lie only in the interior of a triangle? Yes. The median always lie in the interior of the triangle, but altitude it may lie outside of the triangle also, because in obtuse angle we are getting, in obtuse angle we can get altitude in outside. The next, how many altitude can a triangle have? So a triangle can have 3 altitude. Then this is a think and discuss question. Will an altitude always lie in the interior of a triangle? No, the altitude will not always lie in the interior of triangle, because in some obtuse angle we are getting altitude on the exterior side, mean outside of the triangle.